This year, we're raising money to help renovate our amphitheater, a space where kids can engage in dramatic play backstage and in the spotlight. Engaging in this performing arts can help children develop social skills and self-confidence and language development. With your help, we'll be able to get some new costumes, lots of musical instruments, and even some really great backdrops for families to enjoy for a long time to come.